The landscape of modern warfare is evolving at an unprecedented pace, driven by technological advancements that are reshaping the way armed forces operate. Among these transformative technologies, artificial intelligence, AI, stands out as a game changer, enabling the U.S. Army to develop a new breed of soldiers equipped with AI-powered tools and systems. This video explores how the U.S. Army is integrating AI into its operations, the benefits and challenges it presents, and the implications for the future of warfare. Before we continue, support the channel by liking this video and subscribing to this channel for future updates. The rise of AI in the U.S. Army. The U.S. Army has a rich history of adapting to emerging technologies, from muskets to drones. Today, AI is at the forefront of military innovation. AI's integration into the U.S. Army's capabilities began in earnest in the early 21st century, with a focus on enhancing decision-making processes, automating routine tasks, and improving overall efficiency. Number 1. AI-enhanced decision-making. One of the primary roles of AI in the U.S. Army is to assist commanders and soldiers in making better decisions. AI systems analyze vast amounts of data from various sources, including satellites, drones, and sensors, providing real-time information on the battlefield. These systems can identify patterns, detect anomalies, and offer predictive insights, aiding commanders in assessing threats and formulating strategies. Number 2. Autonomous vehicles and drones. AI-powered autonomous vehicles and drones have become essential assets for the U.S. Army. Ground-based autonomous vehicles are capable of navigating rugged terrain, conducting reconnaissance missions, and even engaging enemy forces, all without putting soldiers in harm's way. Similarly, drones equipped with AI algorithms can conduct surveillance, target identification, and airstrikes with precision. Number 3. Enhanced communication. AI-driven communication systems have revolutionized the way U.S. Army units communicate. Soldiers now have access to advanced translation tools, enabling seamless communication with local populations in conflict zones. Moreover, AI algorithms help in deciphering encrypted enemy messages and intercepting potential threats. Number 4. Predictive maintenance. AI is also playing a significant role in ensuring the readiness of military equipment. Predictive maintenance systems analyze sensor data from vehicles and weapons to predict when maintenance is needed, reducing downtime and saving resources. The benefits of AI-powered warfare. The integration of AI into the U.S. Army's operations brings forth a myriad of benefits that enhance its effectiveness on the battlefield and the safety of its soldiers. Number 1. Improved situational awareness. AI systems provide soldiers with a comprehensive understanding of the battlefield, including the location of friendly and enemy forces, terrain conditions, and weather updates. This heightened situational awareness leads to better decision-making and reduces the risk of friendly fire incidents. Number 2. Enhanced precision and accuracy. AI-powered weapon systems are incredibly precise, reducing collateral damage and civilian casualties. Drones and autonomous vehicles equipped with AI can execute missions with pinpoint accuracy, minimizing risks to both soldiers and innocent civilians. Number 3. Reduced soldier fatigue. Automation of routine tasks, such as surveillance, logistics, and even medical care, reduces the physical and mental burden on soldiers. This ensures that they can focus their energy and attention on critical tasks, leading to increased combat effectiveness. Number 4. Faster decision-making. AI algorithms can process vast amounts of data in seconds, providing commanders with real-time information to make rapid decisions. This speed can be a game-changer in fast-paced and dynamic combat scenarios. Number 5. Resource efficiency. AI-driven predictive maintenance not only prolongs the lifespan of military equipment, but also reduces maintenance costs and the need for extensive logistics support in the field. Challenges and concerns. While AI offers significant advantages, its integration into the U.S. Army also presents a range of challenges and concerns. Number 1. Ethical dilemmas. The use of AI in warfare raises ethical questions about the potential for autonomous weapon systems to make life or death decisions without human intervention. Striking the right balance between human control and AI automation is a critical concern. Number 2. Cybersecurity risks. AI systems are vulnerable to cyberattacks that could disrupt communications, weapon systems, or intelligence data. Protecting these systems from cyber threats is a constant challenge. Number 3. Data privacy. Collecting and analyzing vast amounts of data to power AI systems raises concerns about data privacy, particularly when it involves the personal information of civilians in conflict zones. Number 4. Job displacement. Automation and AI technologies could potentially reduce the demand for certain military roles, leading to job displacement for soldiers with traditional skill sets. Number 5. Adversarial AI. The emergence of adversarial AI, where AI systems are used to deceive or disrupt enemy AI systems, adds complexity to the battlefield. Future implications. The integration of AI into the U.S. Army is just the beginning of a transformative era in warfare. As AI technologies continue to advance, we can anticipate several key developments in the coming years. Number 1. Human-machine teaming. The future of warfare may involve soldiers working alongside AI-powered companions, leveraging the strengths of both humans and machines to achieve optimal results. Number 2. Ethical frameworks. International discussions and agreements will be crucial in establishing ethical frameworks for the use of AI in warfare to ensure responsible and accountable deployment. Number 3. Continued technological advancements. AI technologies will continue to evolve, potentially leading to even more sophisticated and autonomous weapon systems. The U.S. Army's embrace of AI-powered warfare represents a significant step forward in military technology and capabilities. While AI offers numerous advantages, it also raises ethical, cybersecurity, and privacy concerns that must be addressed. As we navigate this rapidly changing landscape, it is clear that AI will play an increasingly central role in shaping the future of warfare, with profound implications for global security and the conduct of armed forces worldwide. It is essential that the U.S. Army and the international community work together to harness the potential of AI while upholding ethical principles and ensuring responsible use on the battlefield. This brings us to the end of our video. At the end, please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.